I'm getting more and more tired of hearing all this rubbish about Fire Sticks, people getting rid of their Fire Sticks, people selling their Fire Sticks because they think Android TV or Google TV is going to be better and not block their applications. It's a load of rubbish. Just because of a few warning triangles on a couple of apps disabled because they're malicious and they have malware in them, and a few warning triangles which apparently means in a few weeks' time those apps will be deleted completely. Whoever made that little thing up, I have no idea where that one came from. So what I'm going to show to you today, up there we have that one, my Fire Stick. Moving around here, and underneath here, there we have Android. Okay, and I'm going to install some applications, and we're going to install one application which is fully blocked on your Fire Stick. Fully blocked, can't even open it. And one application which is the triangle, but you can launch it anyway. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this video may not be for you, but you may have heard all the rumours about this and that, and get rid of your Fire Stick, Amazon are blocking this. They're not doing anything different to Android. So first things first, make sure you hit that follow button if you are brand new here, and make sure you drop your thoughts on this, and make sure you're using your VPN. If you don't have a VPN, this is always worth it for your privacy and your safety. We'll go into that nearer the end. So what you're going to do, install the apps on your device however you install them. I install via Firesend. Firesend is a great app installer, but this video is not about that. So I'm going to go into a room I've built up just for this demonstration with two apps in it, okay? So the app and the room is doc. I'm going to join the room, and I will join the room on Android as well. There we go. So at the top, Fire Stick, underneath, Android. And we're going to install two apps. So I'm going to install FlixVision first. And I'm going to do the same on Android as well. And let's see what happens, shall we? Let's see what the difference is. So Fire Stick is firing up the install now. So let's click install on the Fire Stick as it's there first. That's installed. And now on the Android device, we've got the option to install as well. So we'll click install. So FlixVision's installed on Fire Stick. We go to open. Oh no, harmful app disabled. This app has been disabled due to behavior that may put your device or personal data at risk. Do you want to uninstall or dismiss? Okay, doesn't matter, I dismiss. Okay, Google Play Protect, Android. This app is fake, tries to take over your device or steal your data. More details. You can install it anyway or get rid of it. So pretty much same stuff. So app not installed, app not installed. And that was for one which apparently only Fire Stick are blocking. Right, next up. What do we got next? Let me just get back into the room on the Fire Stick. These apps won't be there for you to install after this demonstration. I will be removing them. So, BTV, another one which has that warning triangle on it. Installing on my Android, installing on the Fire Stick. Someone keeps walking past my garage. So, install on Android, unsafe app blocked. This app was built on an older version, so it's blocked. And because it doesn't have the security updates, that one is blocked as well. You can install anyway if you want to. Let's see what the Fire Stick says. Done. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to show that content, but let's go and see if there's any warnings on the app itself. So let's have a look at my applications. Applications. Manage installed applications. And there it is. It's there. Nothing warning on it, nothing like that at all. Permissions are all there. It's installed at the minute. Most likely we'll get a warning up soon saying you can launch anyway if you don't want to launch, but that installed fine. So on Android, didn't install. On this one, it did install. My point being, and what the point has been for all of this, and I've been saying it from the beginning, Fire Stick are kind of just catching up. They've been told they have to do this sort of stuff, and of course they're going to say they're going to do it. But they giving you the option to launch an app anyway just means they are ticking that box. Same as Play Protect. Play Protect have been doing for ages on Google devices, so Google TV, and Android devices. And obviously, deep down, Fire Sticks are based on Android. The new Fire Stick is slightly different, but we're just ignoring that completely because no one should be buying the Fire TV 4K Select. We've all told you many times, Vega OS, if you want these sort of applications, do not buy it. Okay, do not buy it. It's as simple as that. It's not worth it. If you want it just for Netflix and general streaming, get it. It's 20 quid. But if you want to do anything outside the box with it, don't get it. Okay, so let me know your thoughts on that underneath. Real quick demonstration. I might go into more detail with this with a few more apps further into it. Check out Firesend if you don't have it already. I've got many videos on this, and get your VPN from underneath.